Hello class, today we are going to study on the topic human settlement. Before starting on what exactly human settlement is, let us first understand the very basic definition of human settlement. Human settlement is a group of people inhabiting a particular place for a longer period of time. Human settlement is further divided into two categories. One is urban, one is rural, and the other is urban settlement. A rural settlement is characterized by the agricultural or the agrarian economy. The settlement falls under the category of scattered, compact and linear. Whereas urban settlement on the other hand is contrary, which is characterized by the economic development, the rural area, the town, the cities and the urban development. The second topic which we are going to cover today for the class is factors responsible for the growth of human settlements. The factors which goes into the planning of human settlement are: first, land. This is a very important aspect in planning the human settlement, As we know, land everywhere is not same. Somewhere it is rocky, somewhere it is plain, somewhere it is mountainous. So accordingly, human beings inhabit a particular land. We often find the plain land being inhabited by most of the people, just for the mere sake of convenience, as it provides us with a flat surface to build, to construct roads and buildings on it. Other than land, the second factor which is available for the growth of human settlement is the climate. Climate is another very important aspect. The people usually inhabit those areas which have favorable or moderate climatic conditions. Generally, they want to live in areas which neither have very hot climatic conditions nor very cold climatic conditions. So people generally inhabit an area which has moderate form of climatic condition. That is the precise reason we see very less people inhabiting the desert area and more people inhabiting the plain area, because the desert area is going to be very hot with a lot of high temperature in it, with less rainfall and humidity. And plain area is going to have the mixture of all sort of climates, that is the cold climate, the hot climate and the rainy climate, the rainy season we can call it as well. The third is availability of water. Availability of water is one of the major factors which goes into deciding our human settlement. As we all know, most of the human civilizations have developed around the area of water, around the surrounding water bodies. That is why availability of water makes it even more important for human beings to plan their settlements. This is all for the class. Thank you.